listen, if you're already a household name and your brand's so strong that customers call you first, you can skip the rest of the video. But if, like so many companies, your product has great value, but your brand just doesn't propel your business, you feel stuck, what I'll tell you next is going to be essential to make your brand number one in your niche and get your business to the next level now more than ever. It's the difference between success and failure. Because about 50% of all new businesses today have a death sentence the day they open. And too often, a Me Too, undifferentiated brand is the preventable cause. They just repeat meaningless slogans like service, selection, and quality that customers ignore like water that rolls off a duck's back. This is completely wrong. Brand titans who taught me called it spraying and praying. There are just too many competitors out there making the same kind of noise. They use the same videos, the same email sequences, the same webinars, the same Instagram posts, and they all get the same sad results. I'll tell you now what does work. It's the timeless persuasion psychology that I learned from the real madmen and madwomen of Madison Avenue, the ones I worked for in New York. They made the most famous, profitable brands in all history, like M&M's, Tide, Allstate, and great new ones too, like Yeti, Tito's Vodka, Chobani, 5 Hour Energy, and so many more. You need to offer one thing that nobody else does. It doesn't have to be a huge difference, just a special kind of difference called a dominant selling idea. My formula will find that difference in any good company. You make it so easy to say and so easy to remember that people repeat it to their friends and their family, and that's the most powerful branding tool there is.